and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 10F Homework Beverage Supply. So open the Excel chapter 10. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So open the Word files, instruction file and open the Excel files. So assignment title is Excel 10F B average supply and project description is in this project you will insert the sides by sides table and sort and set the conditional formatting on a column of a data. Apply the conditional formatting by using the formula. You will also add all text and image. So we move to the main project step and total step is 14. So question number 1 is open the student Excel 10F B average supply XLS downloaded with this project. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 10F big average supply. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the B average supply inventory worksheet, insert the table using the range A7 to A13. So on the B average supply inventory worksheet, so go to the Excel worksheet and B average supply inventory worksheet and insert the table using the A7 to E13. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter and insert the table using the range A7 to E13. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the tables, click OK. So insert the tables. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is format the guest worksheets and copy the range A1 to E20 and then paste into cell F6 of the big average supply inventory worksheet. So format the guest worksheets. So go to the guest worksheets and next is copy the range A1 to E20. So copy and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter and next is copy the range. So go to the home tabs and go to the clipboard groups and click the copy and next is and then paste into cell F6. So select the F6 and click the paste, copy the range and next is A1 to E20 and copy and paste into cell F6 in the B average supply inventory worksheet. So go to the B average supply inventory worksheet and paste the range in cell F6. So select the F6 in cell F6 and click the paste. So paste the B average supply inventory worksheet in cell F6. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is on the B average supply inventory worksheet, format the data in the range F7 to J25 as the table and then apply the medium 12 table style. Apply the auto fit column as 2A. On the B average supply inventory worksheet, so B average supply inventory worksheets and format the data range in cell F7 to J25. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range, press enter. And next is as the table and apply the medium 12 table styles. So insert the table, so go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups, click the table and click OK. So insert the table and apply the medium 12 and table style, apply the auto fit column H2A and then apply the medium 12 table styles. So go to the table design tabs and uh, medium medium 12 table style. So go to the table styles and medium 12 table styles and then apply the medium 12 table styles, medium medium 12 table styles, click OK. So question number 4 is complete. And we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is sort the B average supplies type and staff table by item hash using the cell value A to Z, and the second levels sort by purchase price is the largest to smallest. So sort the B average supply type and staff table by item hash using the cell value A to Z, and the second level sort by purchase price is largest to smallest. So go to the data types and go to the sort and filter groups, click the sort, and next is B average supply is the type and staff table by add the so add the staff table by item hash, click the item hash and using the value is A to Z. So using the order value is A to Z, and next is at the second level sort by purchase price is the largest to smallest. So at the second level click the add a level and at the second level sort by purchase price largest to smallest. So click the purchase price purchase price largest to smallest, purchase price largest to smallest and click OK. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is using the same source order sort the B average supply type guest tables. So using the same sort order and sort the B average supplier type. So B average supplier types and B average sales price and guest type tables. So go to the table design tabs and table name is guest tables. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.